Halo, Drama King 254 hapa na in today's episode kana waendewe mapita Mativo Shenton ama Mativo the editor. We, unafanya nini hapa? Ala, we kata ba. Kwani miudu? Mimi ndo editor wa hii video. Si ungengoja hizi footages kwa post production. We, director. Nani amekubali ukasee kwa set yangu?
I wonder.
Kombe takasewe, tuheshimiane. Naitwa Mativo. Ama Mativo the editor. Haya basi, siwaambie hata hii clone effect venye tumefanya basi. Very nice. Waeleze. You know what?
Yeah?
Very nice. I got you. Now, bila kupoteza wakati yani vate kwa nangasa, fungua your editing software. Mimi upenda kutumia Premiere Pro. But unaweza tumia any software yani unapenda. Ita CapCut. Hata mimi nilianzia editing hapo kwa nyamasa. Ukishafungua Premiere Pro yako, create sequence in your editing timeline, then import your footages in the project panel. Use the program monitor panel to preview your project as you edit it. For snap transition is all about timing. Check this out. Since your first clip is on the timeline, use preview monitor panel to mark in and mark out your second clip, then add your second clip on the top of the first clip, then click the effect control, search crop effect and drag it to the second clip, then adjust it to blend it with the both frames. Since there was no camera movements, the results are incredible. Halo, Drama King 254 hapa na in today's episode kana waendewe mapita Mativo Shenton ama Mativo the editor. Simple. Na hivyo ndo utapata the clone transition na the snap transition. Toka hapa basi nifunge show. Toka.